These are snapdragons. Look at the flowers. They look like a mouth of a dragon. So, yeah, snapdragons with different colors. And this is geranium. They are hardy and they are perennial. And that is the pink valerian. So this is a medicinal plant that I never use for medicinal plant because I don't know how to use the roots. I leave that to the expert. And this is look at that, guys. This is flowering everywhere. This is so seeded. Wherever the wind drop them, they grow. It's so amazing. And look at this. I forgot the name of this. This is more of the valerian. Pink pink valerian. Okay, so there. Look. They look amazing. And look at the roses, guys. The yellow roses are already up and about. Look at that. Amazing. So this is the update of my front garden. So this is how it flowers. It flowers crazily. Insane flowering. It's so amazing. This cistus is still flowering. So one flower every day. So one flower and then it drops in the evening, and then one flower opens up the next day. That's how it does. It's amazing. So this is a snapdragon as well. So pretty. So look at that background. Amazing. Oh, the yellow roses smells amazing. Smells divine. So amazing. I'm so happy with this garden, the front garden. And look at that, guys. I'll show you now. Okay, this is the highlight. Look at that. It's amazing. So pink and white flowers. Look at these roses. Isn't that amazing? So pretty. So let's open. Look at that. It's like painted. So beautiful. And look at the clematis still growing, still blooming. And it goes well with the roses and the yellow roses as well. Look, the yellow roses growing at the back. That got a long stem grow over the back and it's flowering. So this is a yellow roses. It smells divine. Can you smell that, guys? Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. So pretty. It needs deadheading now. So look at this. It's already done flowering. So I need to deadhead that to continue blooming. There. In the bottom, there is a sedum in here. So I'm waiting for it to flower as well. So this is David Austin flowers. These white flowers, David Austin. So I was given this David Austin by Jane. Thank you, Jane, for giving me this. And look how it flowers now. Let me see. There's a slight perfume. Maybe let me see this big one. The big flower is more perfume. This got more perfume. This is bigger. And if it's still smaller, light perfume. And look at that. It's amazing. And look at the back of the flowers, guys. Look. There's like a patches of pink. Oh, so that's what happens when it's nearly falling. So the back is the color like that. So cute. Amazing. Look at that. There's a confetti in the garden now. So amazing. Look at the yellow roses. It's flowering so beautiful. Before I'm thinking of cutting that, but then I left it. And then now it's flowering like that. So it's so pretty. In every that stem there's lots of branches. It's growing nicely. And this one, guys, is smells divine. So look at that at the map. So when I'm up there in the bed from the bedroom and I look down here, it looks so pretty. This is how it greets me every time I wake up in the morning. So cute. And it makes my day so beautiful. Yeah, so that's cute.